Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Avalon Public School at home. Children, in previous class, I told you about the local setting of our country, India. In that, I told you the geographical state and the neighbors of our country. Today's class, we are going to learn the second part of this chapter, that is political and administration divisions of India. Before starting this, let's learn some good habits. Students, we all should obey our elders and parents. They are very valuable for us because they have done a lot for ours, and even they don't care about themselves sometimes for taking care ours. So children, we all should pray to God for their good health and long life. We should not bother them for anything, and we all should obey to them. Okay, children? Now let's start our topic. Political administrative divisions of India. So let's learn political division. For ease of administration, India has been divided into smaller areas called states. So there are a total of 29 states at present. In addition to other states, India also has union territories. So as of 2020, India has 8 union territories. Now it's 9. The state and union territories of India are shown here. So each state has its own state government. The borders were mainly determined by the common language spoken by the people in the region. And union territory, they do not have their own government. They are managed directly by the central government. Okay, children. Here I am talking about that I am a state surrounded by 7 other states and 2 countries, that is Assam. And I share my northern border with the northernmost union territory of India. So it is Himachal. That is Himachal Pradesh. Now look here, political division 3, that is I share my western border with the Arabian Sea and my northern border with the largest state in India, that's called Gujarat. Now look, political division 4, I am a landlocked state surrounded by 5 other states. The Tropic of Cancer passes through me. So it is Madhya Pradesh. I share a border with 3 countries and only one Indian state, that is Sikkim. I am the southernmost state of India, that is Tamil Nadu. And I share my northwestern border with the smallest state in India, that's Karnataka. So these are the political divisions. Next is a sea is named after me, that is West Bengal. If you were to travel from Bengaluru to Hyderabad using the shortest route possible, you would have to pass through me, that is Andhra Pradesh. So I am a union territory surrounded by the Bay of Bengal, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island. So this is a political division of India, and next we will meet in the next session of this chapter. In that I told you about the rest part of the chapter. So till then, children, revise the concept from your book and take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you.